What's the meaning of audiology? Audiology. Audiology.
Audiology. Audiology. Audiology is the branch of medicine that deals with hearing and balance disorders. It involves the diagnosis, evaluation, and treatment of hearing loss and other auditory impairments. Audiologists are experts in identifying and managing hearing problems and providing rehabilitation services to improve communication skills. They use various tests and tools to assess hearing loss and recommend different treatment options, including hearing aids, cochlear implants, and auditory training programs. Through audiology, people with hearing impairments can receive proper care to enhance their quality of life and improve their overall well-being.